Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Undertale on Xbox Easy Guide. Start by installing Undertale from the Microsoft Store, sign in with your Xbox account, and enable cloud saves immediately. Next, choose controller or keyboard input in settings and set display to 16:9 if you prefer widescreen. Adjust audio and vibration for feedback, then begin exploring, interacting, and making choices that shape your playthrough and endings. Configure controls first to feel comfortable during dialogue and battle sequences. Remap buttons for attack, act, item, and mercy if needed, and test inputs in a safe area. Tweak audio levels so you hear cues for enemy patterns and music transitions, and enable or disable vibration based on preference. Save settings, then practice a few encounters to build confidence before tackling key story choices and boss fights. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy game tips. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which adds voice control and smart mapping to your home routine and frees up time for more gaming. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one, and now let's get back to the video. Focus on understanding bullet patterns and timing to avoid damage during encounters. Use the act option to talk, compliment, or otherwise interact with enemies to end fights non-violently when possible. Keep items for critical moments and conserve vital healing for bosses. Be mindful that each major choice steers your route toward pacifist, neutral, or genocide paths, so decide your approach early and save often to experiment without losing progress.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.